I am not Morgan Freeman, and what you see is not real.
Imagine unlocking new income streams without quitting your day job, all by harnessing the power of technology that's right at your fingertips. Sounds intriguing, doesn't it? Welcome to Episode 1, Introduction to AI and its Impact on Personal and Financial Growth. In this video, we'll break down what AI is, explore how it's transforming industries and creating new opportunities, and discuss why embracing AI is crucial for your personal and financial success. AI, or artificial intelligence, may sound intimidating, but think of it as a highly skilled assistant that can learn, adapt, and assist you with various tasks. At its core, AI uses algorithms and data to mimic human intelligence, analyzing information, learning from it, and making decisions. Picture AI as an apprentice chef who learns by observing a master, trying different techniques, and improving with each attempt. This ability to learn and adapt allows AI to enhance productivity and creativity in everything from writing and designing to managing tasks. To simplify, think of AI as a tool that sifts through vast amounts of data to find patterns and produce helpful outcomes. When you use a voice assistant that becomes better at understanding your commands over time, that's machine learning, a type of AI that allows systems to improve through experience. A music streaming app that tailors recommendations based on your listening habits is using AI to learn what you enjoy and adapt to your preferences. AI is reshaping industries and creating new avenues for income and career growth. Let's look at how AI is revolutionizing three major sectors. Healthcare. AI has become a game changer in healthcare, enhancing diagnostic tools to detect diseases faster and more accurately. For instance, AI algorithms help doctors analyze medical images to spot early signs of conditions like cancer. This opens up opportunities for tech-savvy individuals who can support AI applications in training or provide complementary tech services. Finance. In the financial world, AI-driven systems analyze data in real time to help with everything from fraud detection to automated investment decisions. Personal finance tools use AI to create budgets and investment plans tailored to users' goals. This creates a market for those interested in developing or consulting on AI-based financial solutions. Marketing and e-commerce. Marketing professionals use AI to create personalized ad campaigns and improve customer engagement. AI analyzes consumer behavior to optimize ad placements and content strategies, helping businesses increase their return on investment. For freelancers and entrepreneurs, this means there's potential in offering AI-enhanced marketing services or creating tools for targeted outreach. So, why should you embrace AI? Beyond just using it as a tool, learning how to incorporate AI can position you for long-term success. Let's explore a few key benefits. Skill enhancement. AI tools can make you more effective at your job by speeding up routine tasks. Writers can use AI to generate outlines or complete drafts quickly, while designers can experiment with different concepts using AI-assisted software. These enhancements not only save time, but also improve the quality of your work. Work-life balance. One of AI's biggest benefits is automating repetitive tasks, which frees up time for higher-value activities or personal pursuits. Imagine automating your social media scheduling or using AI to respond to common customer inquiries. This saves hours each week that can be better spent on strategic thinking or simply enjoying more free time. Strategic thinking and innovation. By spending less time on repetitive tasks, you gain more mental space for innovation. Whether you're working on a personal project or expanding a business, using AI for operational tasks lets you focus on creative and strategic decisions. Real-world application tip. Try automating a simple task like drafting an email or generating an outline for a project. This hands-on experience will show you how AI can save time and improve your workflow. Starting with AI can feel overwhelming, and there are common challenges that beginners face. Let's go over these and how to overcome them. Challenge 1. Learning the tools. Many beginners struggle with understanding how to use AI tools effectively. The best approach? Start with user-friendly platforms that offer tutorials and community support. Challenge 2. Creating effective prompts. One essential skill in using AI is learning to write effective prompts. Vague or poorly structured prompts can result in less useful output. Practice crafting specific prompts and refine them based on the responses you receive. For example, instead of asking, "Write about marketing," try, "Write a 300-word article on how AI is used to create personalized marketing campaigns for small businesses." Challenge 3. Balancing automation and creativity. It's easy to rely too heavily on AI for content or ideas, but the best results come when you combine its capabilities with your creativity. Use AI as a collaborator, not a replacement, to ensure your work reflects your unique voice and ideas. Challenge 4. Understanding limitations. AI isn't flawless. It can make mistakes or produce results that lack depth. Always double-check AI-generated content and pair it with your expertise to create the best results. Let's recap why embracing AI is worth your time and effort. Increased efficiency. By automating tasks, you can complete projects faster and focus on what truly matters. Enhanced creativity. AI tools can offer suggestions and structures you might not have considered, sparking new ideas. Financial growth. Leveraging AI can boost productivity, opening doors to new income streams or improving current business practices. Skill development. Using AI adds valuable expertise to your skill set, making you more competitive in the job market. AI is constantly evolving, and understanding emerging trends can give you an edge. AI-powered personal assistants. Future AI assistants are expected to handle more complex tasks, like coordinating schedules, booking services, and even making business recommendations. Integration with augmented reality, AR. The combination of AI and AR could change how we interact with educational tools, shopping experiences, and virtual training. AI and sustainability. AI is already being used to reduce waste and optimize energy consumption. Entrepreneurs focused on eco-friendly practices can use AI to develop sustainable solutions. Speculative thought. Imagine entering a business idea into an AI platform and receiving a full business plan complete with potential risks and marketing strategies within minutes. To better understand AI, try this exercise. Take a project you do regularly, like drafting a social media post or organizing a report. Use an AI tool to assist you in completing part of the task and measure the time saved. This simple step will help you see the efficiency and versatility of AI. Think about your own skills and hobbies. How could AI help you improve what you do or explore new opportunities? Share your thoughts in the comments and let us know what aspect of AI you're excited to explore. If you're ready to take the next step in your AI journey, like this video and subscribe to the channel. Your support helps us reach others looking to grow their skills and financial outlook. Check the description for resources to get started with AI. In our next episode, we'll dive into practical ways to use AI for content creation and marketing, showcasing the tools that make it easier than ever to get started. Stay tuned for a hands-on guide. Remember, the future belongs to those who embrace change and seize opportunities. AI isn't just for tech experts, it's a tool for anyone willing to learn and adapt. Let's start this journey together and unlock your potential for personal and financial growth. Thank you for joining me today. Until next time, stay curious and keep pushing forward.